Hello everyone, Raul is with you and I have a question for you. Why don't you still earn thousands of the dollars trading while spending a couple of hours a day? Big risk. Do you not trust the trustfulness of the earnings? I understand that my subscribers and I were initially afraid too, but now you can see their results in a short period of the trading. If you want to do the same, then go to my Telegram channel by the link in the description and get a bunch of the bonus, strategy and other useful things. So we will meet there. There are all words. Let me show you how I can earn a large amount of the money by using a strategy. So are you interested? Let's go. Returning to the essence of the video, today I will show you my new effective and working strategy for making money on the binary options. I will start with an amount of the $150 and I will go to the goal of the $2,000. To do this, I will stick to my new working strategy. It is based on the two indicators, MACD and sentiment. They will help you to identify the chart, movement, trend and flexibility. And now let's get to the settings. Now to the settings. I leave everything at the standard values as they do a great job. I turn on the Japanese candlestick, set the interval to 30 minutes and transaction time to 1 minute. We will trade on the Asia Composite Index. Let's start our trade. So friends, I start with the amount of the $150. I open a deal to increase. Since I saw the entry point, the indicator saw me a small adjustment, but the overall movement of the chart is going up. We are waiting for the completion of the transaction. So congratulations on our first successful deal on this strategy. I am confident in its effectiveness and I will prove it to you with the example of the several more deals. By the way, our balance is $286. The second deal will be in the amount of the $286. We find an entry point and open a deal for an increase. The moving average in our indicator saw an upward movement and the upward trends doesn't stop. These are our signals. So looking for the perfect trading platforms. You are lucky because I know the perfect place is Olymp Trade. Here every transaction is a step towards your financial success with fast withdrawals, transparent transactions and high profits. This is the place where your capital start working for you. I personally trust this platform and am ready to share it with you. Join my Telegram channel to not receive just only bonus but also keep up to date with the latest news and strategy for the useful, successful trading. Together we will reach on the new financial height. So the second deal is coming to an end and our balance is already $547 guys. We are not so far from our goal. We will continue soon in order to make a big profit. Our third deal in a row. We are also opening a deal for an increase. The chart has a positive trend and is not going to stop. Of course, there are small adjustments, but they do not scare us. And now our deal is complicated and our balance pleases us, having increased to $1,045 guys. So here is the finish line of the testing my new strategy. We will reach our cherished goal and earn a large amount of the money. We are conducting an analysis and looking for the entry point. I see how our chart from the state of recession begins to rise slowly but surely. The indicators saw a positive movement, so we open a deal to increase. Boom friends, our deal is over and we are able to reach our cherished goal of $1,996. Do you want to see the new strategy more often? Then like, subscribe to the Telegram channel, YouTube channel and wait for the new working effective strategies. Guys, I also want to inform you that it is in my Telegram channel that I regularly share my new secret strategies that help you to earn not only me but also my subscribers. So you need to follow my signals and strategy to make a big profit. I am waiting for everyone in my Telegram channel. So see you soon friends.